another historic recipe video. Today we are traveling not only back in time, which is to the medieval period, but we are also traveling to Egypt. So we are today indulging in some medieval Arabic recipe, which is a variation of the modern hummus that we all know. So the ingredients are here. We have, of course, chickpeas. I have pre-cooked them. They were our own dried chickpeas. Please note here that we have two different colors. This is because we planted both white and red chickpeas. This is how they look like when they are cooked. Then we have some white vinegar. We have mint. Now we have a very interesting herb that is required in this dish, which is rue. It is also often mentioned in ancient Roman recipes. The problem that I have with rue is that it has quite a toxicity. This is not rue, by the way, if you're asking yourself now. I'll come to that now. Because I'm trying to avoid rue, as it is slightly toxic and it is abortive as well. So pregnant women, keep your fingers away from rue. Rue has a distinctive bitterness that can also be a little overwhelming. So actually I like to substitute it. For today I've taken some lavender leaves, which give this bitterness but without any toxicity. Then we have pepper. We have some crushed cinnamon. We have some already crushed ginger. We have a mash of pickled lemon. And we have olive oil. Now, to obtain the hummus, the paste, you can either crush the chickpeas by hand with mortar and pestle, or you can be a little badass and just use a modern mixer. Now let's pretend that I mixed all this by hand with mortar and pestle, and I add some either white wine vinegar or some verjus, the juice of unripe grapes. Let us add the dry lemon, pickled lemon pulp, some cinnamon, and some ginger. Not to forget, a good amount of pepper. Pepper is always good. Pepper is fantastic. I like pepper. And a good amount, important, good amount of olive oil. Then we chop those herbs. First the mint. Then the rue / lavender, or whatever you would like to substitute the rue with. First we blend this and then we add the herbs. Now we add the herbs. And actually, although it's not mentioned in the recipe, I'm sure they also put salt inside. If not, it would be a little bland. Well, that's it. 13th century Egyptian hummus. No tahini, but therefore a lemony taste and lots of goodness.